everyone, this is Romy with Villalogs, and today we are in the outskirts of Moraira. We are at only a 10-minute drive from Javea and a few minutes from Moraira town center. So we are here at our latest listing, and it's a very special one. It's a property full of opportunities. And you might ask why. It's because this is a property constructed on a plot of 5,400 square meters. So it's very large. And on this plot you can find the main house, but also a construction that used to be kennels. But any buyer could turn it into garage boxes, you could turn it into outrooms, anything you want. It's full of business opportunities. The main house is very nice as well. It's recently been renovated. Almost everything is brand new. Not gonna let you wait longer. Let's come out and check out what it looks like. So we enter the property in the kitchen, and as I was just saying, everything is almost brand new. There's a lot of natural light coming into this house and into this kitchen. You have these beautiful marble countertops. Good to point out as well is that all the windows are brand new as well. It's double glazed, and we have this beautiful induction cooktop. The kitchen is very long and extends all the way to here. We have a nice, it's a seating area. It's a nice place to have breakfast, to relax with your family and friends. And here we have a large fridge. We have a double oven, again brand new, nobody has been using it before, and the microwave. I will start talking a little bit about the distribution of this property. So here we have the main living room. Just off that you can find a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, and right here we have a staircase going upstairs where you can find an additional 2 bedrooms and a Jack and Jill bathroom. So what else? Moving along the house, we have 2 stairs right here. One goes downstairs, where you can find a very versatile room. It could be used as a dining room, a secondary living room, or a TV room. You have the perfect pallet burner here as well. Very nice in the winter to heat up the house. And you have actually another one in the other living room. And there is another bedroom just off of this second living space, which you could also use as an office. And right here we have the stairs going upstairs, where you can find the master bedroom with ensuite. And it has a terrace with a beautiful view over the countryside of Moraira. Look at that. I didn't think there was a better place to end this video as here on the terrace of the master bedroom. So if you have any other questions about this beautiful property, don't hesitate to get in touch with us by email or give us a call. We are always there to help you. And as always, if you are new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because you want to stay up to date with our latest videos.